Hi everyone, this is P. Banutej, studying in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about chemistry tech talk. I am studying in data science, CSD data science A section. My roll number is 17. My topic is hydrogen fuel pollution free transportation. Hydrogen fuel contents. We are going to learn about history of hydrogen fuel, hydrogen energy, fuel cell, importance of fuel cell technology, working of fuel cell, types of fuel cell, importance of hydrogen, hydrogen production, applications of hydrogen fuel cell, and benefits of hydrogen fuel cell. History of hydrogen fuel cell. Hydrogen fuel cell is first discovered in 1838 by German scientist Christian Friedrich Schwebel, and in 1839 hydrogen fuel cell is demonstrated by Welsh scientist Sir William Robert Grew. Hydrogen energy. Hydrogen is the simple and most plentiful element in the universe. It always combined with other elements. Hydrogen is high in energy, yet an engine that burns pure hydrogen produces almost no pollution. NASA has used liquid hydrogen since the 1970s to propel the space shuttle and other rockets into orbit. What is a fuel cell? A fuel cell is an electrochemical device that combines hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity with water and heat. It is its byproduct. Overall reaction. Oxidation of fuel by hydrogen and oxygen. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas gives rise to 2H2 water, that is liquid. Fuel plus oxygen gives rise to water and energy. This is a sample diagram of hydrogen fuel cell. Why is fuel cell technology important? Since conversion of the fuel to energy takes place via electrochemical process, not combustion. It's clean, quiet, high friendly, efficient process. 2 or 3 times more efficient than fuel burning. So this is why the hydrogen fuel is more important than many other fuels. It is also eco-friendly with nature. How does a fuel cell work? It operates similarly to a battery, but it does not run down nor does it require recharging. As long as the fuel is supplied, a fuel cell will produce both energy and heat. A fuel cell consists of 2 catalyst coated electrodes surrounding an electrolyte. One electrode is anode and another is a cathode. The process begins with hydrogen molecules enter the anode. The catalyst coating separates hydrogen's negatively charged electrons from the positively charged protons. The electrolyte allows the protons to pass through to the cathode but not the electrons. Instead, the electrons are directed through an external circuit which creates electrical current. While the electrons pass through the external circuit, oxygen molecules pass through the cathode. There, the oxygen and protons combine with the electrons after they have passed through the external circuit. When the oxygen and the protons combine with the electrons, it produces water and heat. This is a picture of hydrogen fuel cell. A sample reaction produces emissions of free power. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise to electricity and power via water vapor, which is this electricity is used in the home appliances, transportation, etc. Components of fuel cell system. This is a sample flowchart of how the hydrogen fuel cell works. Regenerative fuel cells, currently researched by NASA. This type of fuel cell involves a closed loop from the power generation, uses solar energy to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen and oxygen are fed into the fuel cell, generating electricity, heat, and water. The water byproduct is then recirculated back into the solar-powered electrolyzer, doing the process again. This is the regenerative fuel cell, where the solar energy converts hydrogen and oxygen into water vapor and energy. Importance of hydrogen. The fuel cells require highly purified hydrogen as a fuel. Researchers are developing a wide range of technologies to produce hydrogen economically from a variety of sources in environmentally friendly ways. Hydrogen production. The biggest challenge regarding hydrogen production is the cost. There are three general categories of hydrogen production: thermal process, electrolytic process, and photolytic process. Hydrogen production today. Hydrogen is produced mostly by natural gas and medium and half of the percent by coal and oil. Another small percent by water. Fuel cell technology be used: transportation, power stations, telecommunications, micro power. These are the uses of fuel cell of hydrogen fuel cell. Benefits of hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cell is zero smoke emission. It does not cause pollution. It is efficient. It works quiet without any sound. Hydrogen fuel cell goes long distances with fast refueling. India Green Hydrogen Roadmap. India is national demonstration project proposed by India. H2 bar trunking project on Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor. H2 bar port logistics and clusters. H2 industrial clusters. Steel fertilizer. Municipal biogas H2 project. Coal gasification H2 projects. These are the projects done by India. Desired outcomes by 2030. India in global H2 supply chain. Domestic manufacturing of electrolyzers, fuel cells, stacks, components, partnerships, and H2 India consortium. 10 national H2 projects. Large demonstration stage. Different use cases. USD 500 MN. Expected hydrogen fund by 2030. 75,000 new hydrogen economic jobs potential. GW scale. Electrolyzer capacity in India. Energy in 1 kilogram of hydrogen is equal to energy in 1 gallon of gasoline. Hydrogen 1 kilogram gives equal to 60 miles. Gas 1 gallon equal to 25 miles. Therefore, hydrogen is more efficient. It works more than gas. Applications of hydrogen fuel cell in other modes of transport. Hydrogen fuel cell is used in scooties, mostly in transportation, like scooties, cars, and aeroplanes, and submarine and ships, etc. It is also used in cars with hydrogen fuel cell system. It works more efficiently than petrol or diesel. Hydrogen fuel cell is nowadays used in transportation like trains, cars, etc. Limitations of fuel cell: transportation and storage of fuels, hydrogen gas, lack of infrastructure, energy need to produce hydrogen from water, large amounts of hydrogen needed to meet energy needs, consumer mistrust, high cost, currently do not have hydrogen production capacity, intolerability to freezing temperatures. Drawbacks of using hydrogen. Hydrogen is costly production at present. Present challenges when moving into large quantities. Existing infrastructure cannot accommodate hydrogen fuel. Storage is still the major issue of concern. And lot of work is still expected by this sector. These are the drawbacks of using hydrogen. But globally, countries have announced plans to build 2,800 refueling stations by 2025. German pipeline operators presented a plan to create 1,200 km grid by 2030 to transport hydrogen across the country, which would be the world's largest in planning. These are some ways to increase the hydrogen fuel transportation without pollution. Hydrogen vehicles are ecosystem or does not affect ecosystem. These does not produce any noise pollution. These have low sound level. Does not emit greenhouse gases, and it does not affect the air pollution, and the air quality is same. It does not affect the human health also. Thank you.